Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I want to treat my daughter hair for hair growth. I'm going to be working with fresh rosemary. This is normal water. I've on my gas already, so I want to add this rosemary to it. Okay, so it's just for one time use. Okay, I don't need to make plenty one. Are you seeing the way I'm doing it? So if you have dried ones, you are free to use dried rosemary too. Okay, so it's only rosemary that I'm going to be working with today. Okay, so I'll leave it to boil, to cook for like 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, I'll leave it to cook now for some minutes. Okay, it's ready, so I need to leave it to cool down a bit before sieving it. Okay, this is the rosemary water, so I'm going to apply it on my daughter here now. Okay. Just because we treasure one day we go into many look. Treasure, don't go for my ring light. I see it. Go and play. 12.96. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. Baby, speak. Open your mouth. I don't know it's not there. I would have said we should face this TV because I don't know if they'll go scatter it. So go and keep that thing. Go and keep that thing fast. She cannot hold the wall is not strong. No, not there. We should put it on the floor. Maybe tomorrow Coco will change that thing all day. We'll go and down. You don't know the TV this thing will buy when he's not having it. They said hold this.
This here. Look at that. Ow.
I'm going to cover it for like 1 hour. Okay, but if you don't have a lot of time, you can watch yours from 30-35 minutes. Okay, so it's for all hair types. All hair types can use this. Okay,